This book is called Amazing Apples by Jeff Bauer. Amazing Apples. This is what we're going to be reading about today. Chapter 1 is all about apples. Chapter 2 is apple trees. And Chapter 3 is eating apples. Chapter 1, all about apples. Apples are crisp and round and juicy. Do you want to learn all about this amazing fruit? Read on. There are 7,500 kinds of apples in the world. Apples come in many colors. There are green ones, there are yellow ones, and there are lots and lots of red ones. An apple has different parts. The stem is on top. The skin covers the outside. An apple's skin helps to protect it. And you can see it says skin right here, and it points to the skin. That's the colored part of the apple. And the stem is up here. Here we have the core, which is the middle of the apple, and the seeds are in the core, and then the flesh, that's the part that you eat. Tiny seeds like these can grow into huge apple trees. When you cut an apple in half, it looks like this. The white part is called the flesh. The hard center is called the core. That is where you find the seeds. Chapter 2, Apple Trees. Apples grow on trees. In winter, an apple tree rests. Sometimes the branches get covered with snow. An apple tree's flowers are called apple blossoms. In spring, an apple tree is thirsty. It drinks up all the rain that falls. The rain helps flowers grow on its branches. We're going to have to wait all the way until spring to see what that looks like, but we will. This is a tiny apple. I'm going to try and get close up on that. That's what it starts to look like. It's so little. It's as little as my fingertip. When it starts growing, that's what it looks like. In summer, the flowers turn into tiny apples. As the tree soaks up the sun, the apples grow and grow. This is a ripe apple. In fall, the apples are big and juicy. That means they are ripe and ready to pick. So this is the season that you can go apple picking and get the best ripe apples. Chapter 3 is called Eating Apples. There are many ways to enjoy apples. Apple pie is yummy. It is America's favorite kind of pie. Apples are also used to make jelly, muffins, breads, and cakes. Applesauce is yummy. It is made from mashed up apples. That makes it easy for babies to eat. Apple juice is yummy too. The juice is squeezed out of apples. It takes about 4 apples to fill 1 glass. Apples are grown in every state in America, but there is nothing like a plain apple. Why? It is shiny and sweet and simple to eat. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And that is the end of Amazing Apples.